Hello everyone. Today we are going to master the read an academic passage task from the TOEFL reading section. We'll learn how to break down university-level texts and logically analyze them to find the right answers every time. If you want to keep improving your score, make sure to subscribe to myTOEFL and join our community of successful students. Let's keep learning together. In this task, listen closely to the speaker's question to determine their specific goal. Focus on whether they are seeking information or a confirmation so you can predict the most logical reply.
As I'm paused, are tickets for the spring concert still available for purchase?
Are tickets for the spring concert still available for purchase? The speaker is asking a direct question about the status of tickets for an event. Since they want to know if they are still available, we need to find a response that clarifies if the tickets are sold out or not. Let's listen to our options to find the best reply. Let's listen to option A. Yes, there are plenty of tickets left. This is a perfect match because it directly answers the question about tickets by stating there are plenty of them left. Since the speaker asked if they were still available, this response provides the exact information needed. We should keep this as the correct reply. Now, let's hear what option B says. The concert hall is on the hill. While this mentions the location of the concert hall, it fails to address the speaker's inquiry about whether tickets are available for purchase. It provides a geographical fact instead of answering the specific question asked, so we can eliminate it. Here is option C. Let's see if it fits. I bought my tickets 3 weeks ago. This speaker mentions they bought their tickets in the past, but it doesn't tell the current speaker if tickets are still available for them to buy now. This is a common distractor that uses related words but fails to provide a helpful answer. Let's evaluate the response in option D. No, I do not like classical music. This option incorrectly assumes the speaker was asking about personal preferences regarding classical music. Even though it starts with a no, it doesn't explain why tickets wouldn't be available, making it a logically disconnected choice. The most natural reply is option A, since it provides a direct confirmation and addresses the specific status of the ticket inventory. When tackling these questions, always focus on the functional intent of the speaker's words rather than just matching vocabulary. Practice predicting whether a question requires a factual answer, a solution, or a personal opinion to narrow down your choices quickly.